Good morning, students. Welcome back to Environment Engineering. And today, our topic is public awareness or public environmental awareness. Okay, so today we will discuss about the public environmental awareness, means how we can aware public regarding the environmental awareness so that they can protect the environment and they can save the environment. Okay. So in today's PPT we will discuss about the public environmental awareness, method to propagate environmental awareness, role of NGO and references. Okay. So first of all, just let me tell you about the public environmental awareness. So public awareness about environment is at a stage of infancy. Of late, some awareness has taken place related to environmental degradation, pollution, etc. But incomplete knowledge and information and ignorance about many aspects have often led to misconception. Some of the main reasons responsible for widespread environmental ignorance can be summed up as follows. So first point, of course, in science, technology, economics, etc. have so far failed to integrate the knowledge in environmental aspect as an essential component of the curriculum. Okay, so this is also a main reason behind it. Second, our planner, decision maker, politicians and administrator have not been trained so as to consider the environmental aspect associated with their plans. So this could be one of the reasons. So method to propagate environmental awareness. So how we can aware people about the environmental aspect, right, to save the environment. So first we have among student through education. So we can go to school, colleges where we can give them the demonstration, or we can show the slides or PPT, and with the help of the demonstration we can show them the awareness regarding the environment. Second, among the mass through mass media. So definitely it could be one of the main way to propagate the environmental awareness among the people. So we can make a group of the people or the student, and we can send to the society or to the mohalla or to the different villages so that they can give the demonstration to the people, and they student can make aware of the people regarding the environmental protection and what is the importance to the protection of the environment. If we save the environment, what we can get back. So definitely if we are planting a tree, if we are saving the tree, if we are not cutting the tree, then definitely we'll get a pure air, and pure air will make us very much healthy. So third, the planner, decision maker and the leader. Definitely the planner, decision maker and the leader can propagate this awareness program to the people very easily, because they are the planner, they are the decision maker, they are the leader. Okay, people will definitely interact with their talk, with their demonstration, and they will because planner, decision maker and the leader are the idol for the people. So definitely what they will say, people will accept it. So another NGO, also non-governmental organization, is working very good for the protection of the environment. They are producing or very much productive, and they are really propagating the awareness or the environmental awareness program to the people, and they are making them very much aware, and they educate them regarding the environmental education program. So voluntary organization can help by advising the government about some local environmental issues, and at the same time interacting at the grassroots level. Means they are going in the villages, in the mohalla, in small towns where exactly they are demonstrating about the Environmental Protection Act or the environmental education. So they are making people very much educated regarding the environment. Second, Chipko movement for the conservation of tree by Dasholi Gram Swaraj Mandal in Gopeshwar. Okay. Third, Narmada Bachao Andolan organized by Kalpavesh. Fourth, we have a Bombay Natural History Society, BNHS. Next, we have a Worldwide Find for Nature, WWF India. Next, we have a Kerala Shastra Sahist Parishad. They are also working as an NGO and are working for the protection of the environment. And we have a Center for Science and Environment. So they all are working for the protection of the environment, and they are providing and propagate the environmental education program to the people. We have very good quotation, if you want to act green, first thing green. Definitely अगर हम अपने आसपास पूरा और चारों तरफ एनवायरनमेंट देखना चाहते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें एनवायरनमेंट के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा, उसके बारे में जानना पड़ेगा कि उसको प्रोटेक्ट करके हमें क्या मिलेगा, और हम पेड़ लगा देंगे तो उससे क्या चीज़ें आएंगी. तो डेफिनेटली वी वांट टू एक्ट ग्रीन, फर्स्ट थिंग ग्रीन. एंड रेफरेंसेस वी हैव. दिस इज ऑल फॉर द environmental education program. Thank you. And role of the NGO.